This morning, another cold morning across the area, maybe needing something to help warm you up here to start the day, as we do have some frost advisories to our north once again this morning. Second morning in a row we've seen these across the upper Midwest. This morning, though, a little farther to the north, out across Iowa, parts of far northern Illinois, right along the Wisconsin line, and even some freeze warnings into parts of Michigan. The growing season well underway across the upper Midwest, and temperatures well below freezing across parts of Michigan here early this morning. A very similar start to yesterday morning around here, though. We've got some sunshine early, but a lot of clouds expected this afternoon. And gosh, it is another cold morning. We've got temperatures right now back into the 30s. A chance for a couple showers this afternoon, primarily in some of our far south and western counties. If you're in southern Illinois, if you're in western Kentucky, your chances of seeing rain today very, very slim. Through the rest of this week, we're dry and temperatures start to bounce back, but it is a slow warm up. In fact, it takes almost till Friday or Saturday before temperatures even climb into the 70s. Once again, our average high temperature this time of year running into the mid to upper 70s. Weekend does feature some warmer weather, but that warm weather this time of year oftentimes does bring that chance of rain back into the forecast. 38 right now in Mount Vernon. We've got 40 into Marion. Just last hour, they ran at 39 degrees. Cape currently at 43, Paducah at 45. A little bit warmer into the Missouri Boot Heel, Portageville, Missouri, reporting about 51 degrees. They've got a few more clouds. Very similar once again to yesterday morning in some of our southern counties, while to the north, lots of clear sky currently out across southern Illinois and also encompassing much of southeast Missouri. This afternoon, your precision forecast winds will be out of the north and east and a bit breezy at times today. Marion up to about 64 this afternoon, Pinckneyville at 63, Harrisburg at 65, Golconda up to about 66, Anna this afternoon at about 65 degrees. Mayfield, Kentucky today up to about 67, so a little bit warmer in some of our southern counties, but again, that chance for a couple showers also enters the forecast, especially back into some of our south and east Missouri counties there. Sikeston up to about 68 today. New Madrid only up to about 65. And here comes the rain shower spreading in. Can't rule out maybe a sprinkle or two north of the Ohio River. Best chances, though, notice the timing here late this afternoon, early part of the evening hours, mainly along and south of Highway 60 will bring some of the best rain chances. And this is very, very light rain. I know you start seeing the yellows here and the reds here showing up, but it is fighting some dry air down here at the ground level, so it may be falling heavily out of the clouds, but a lot of that's going to be evaporating as it makes its way closer to the ground level. So Poplar Bluff to Union City brings some of the best chances for wet weather today. And then as we move into the overnight hours, rain starts to clear on out of here. But I've added that rain chance and even upped it just a bit. So about a 20% chance, we'll say, from Cape Girardeau to Paducah to Murray, Kentucky, but then to the south and west, Union City to Poplar Bluff, that chance does ramp up just a bit more. And we're not talking about a lot of rain. Notice the model here putting less than 1/10 of an inch in many of those locations. So afternoon temperatures, that's the big story this week, as the colder air hangs around at least through Thursday. By Friday, creeping closer to 70. By Saturday, temperatures at least getting closer to the average line for this time of year. So after the shower chance today, we're dry Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Morning temperatures in the 40s, afternoon highs in the 60s. Looking ahead to the weekend, some warmer weather starts to move our way. By Sunday, a chance for a couple showers, maybe a rumble of thunder or two. High temperatures into the upper 70s and feeling more like what we would expect, at least for the mid-May by the early part of next week. Temperatures into the upper 60s and some more chances for showers and thunderstorms.
We're ready for the rain to move on.
I agree. I'm ready just for some warmer weather at this point.
That